Let's see what's around this little town. The historic town of Pescadero. Apparently the tavern's closed. That's unfortunate. The country bakery should be open though, huh? So few people that you don't look when you back out of your parking spot. A little old church. Yeah, I've been busy. Girlfriend's out of town. Been digging holes and getting ready to lug some rocks, build some retaining walls. Fun stuff. Cemetery, St. Anthony's. Supposedly there's a Jeep trail, though I presume it was that road I just passed that was gated right there. We'll see what it looks like over here. I think it does just loop around as per usual. Doubtful that you can get onto it. Kind of a chilly day. Big old logs. Yeah, I suspect that back there was the entrance to the Jeep trail. Gated up. I don't think the end of it was this far. Nice area though for a little ride. Without the Jeep trail, still a fun little road to go up. Just ordered a new lightweight tent. Big Agnes Fly Creek bike pack. Pretty sweet. It's got like shortened sticks, so it can be mounted to your handlebars, meant for a mountain bike, but I'm gonna see how it fits on this. It will definitely fit on the bags that I plan on getting. Some small side bags, enduro type. Make camping a little easier, a little smoother. Turn around here. Head back that way. It's the goat ranch. The native sons. Come across them before. Old Hall. down Cloverdale. There's Butano State Park, all closed up. Right back to the highway. Freshly paved highway. Gazos Creek, shall we? I hear there's more mushrooms around here. Mountain camp. Boy, that open gate sure is tempting. Also wouldn't mind seeing what's up the Gazos Creek Mountain Camp. What that looks like now. Could be interesting. Camp Butano Creek. Looks like I go no further. Private property. Redwood Avenue. These people like to live like they're in prison. Well, I guess that's going to conclude my little exploration of Pescadero. Historic Pescadero. Cute little town. Until next time, like and subscribe.